Welcome to Yummy's Kitchen. Maayong adlaw sa tanan, magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'm preparing for our dinner, Paklay. It is widely known in the Central Visayas, the southern part of the Philippines. As I grow up in my mother's restaurant / carenderia during the 70s to the 80s, located in downtown Tagbilaran in the sunny island of Bohol, the way I remember watching as she made it. Early in the morning, my mother organized meat innards. Beef innards will be made to paklay, and pork innards will be made to dinuguan. Paklay is essentially sauteed with garlic, onion, and a lot of ginger, with souring agent like tamarind, vinegar, but in this recipe, I'm using pineapple instead. So this is how it was made. With this paklay I'm preparing now, I use mostly beef tripe and some stir-frying beef. I already cleaned the tripe by squeezing it in a lot of salt and wash off in a running water. Then on a big pot, place enough water to cover the tripe, salt and ginger, and 2 pieces or 3 pieces of bay leaf. Bring to boil for 45 minutes to an hour or until the tripe is soft and tender.
After an hour later,
So here, tripe is already cooked, soft and tender. I started slicing in julienne. And in another pot, heat an oil for about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then throw in the onion and garlic. Then cook for a few minutes until the onion looks translucent. So it now looks translucent. Then add the stir-frying beef. When I bought this, it's already sliced, ready to stir fry. Then add ginger. Then add a patis or fish sauce. Cover and cook for a little bit, like 3 minutes in low heat. Don't cook the meat in high heat because it makes it hard.
after 3 minutes,
Remove the cover and then mix well. Then add the tripe and beef bouillon. And then add a cup or 2 of the tripe water. Then pour in more or less a cup of boiling water and give it a good stir. Then throw in the red bell pepper, the pineapple tidbits, and the pineapple juice. Let's season it with paprika, cayenne pepper, fennel powder, black pepper, and color it with achuete powder or anato powder. You can buy it in any Filipino store if you're outside the country. Then mix well again. Give it a taste, and if you think that the saltiness is enough, so you don't need to add salt. It has enough salt from fish sauce and the beef bouillon. Lastly, add the scallions and mix and cook for a minute. Now it's ready to serve. But before serving, please remove the bay leaf and the lemon peel.
Paklay na eh. Ano kayo ba yung mama, di ba?
Thanks for watching everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share. Also press the notification button to keep an update of new videos. Thank you, ciao, see you next time.